and we're changing the look of the Golf R. And now I already hear what you're saying, Dakota. The Golf R is the most beautiful car ever made. What could you possibly be doing to make it any better? Carbon fiber, all right? We got carbon fiber. Carbo fiber. Cars for hire. So today we're gonna be installing a lip, a diffuser, and a wing, and I think it's gonna do so much for this car. It's a very round car. It's an egg car. So getting a little bit of angles on it could be good for it. So let's back this thing out. Subscribe if you haven't. ECS Tuning provided the parts, and let's get at her. Now that we got it back in the air and on the ramps, we just gotta get the stock diffuser off, which shouldn't be too bad other than just some arm yanking and plastic clip breaking. Diving in, I wanted to start with the diffuser because I thought that was going to be the hardest part. It really wasn't bad. So you'll see here we do have some hangers that we're attaching to the factory locations. Those are going to mount right up to the diffuser and connect to the car. Super easy, was ridiculously easy to put on there, and then the diffuser lines up with it perfectly. So once we get these in, we'll be able to just clip the diffuser into those slots that you can see here, and then it'll attach to both of these mounts that we're adding. One thing I would recommend when you're installing these carbon fiber pieces is to replace this 3M. The 3M that comes on here just isn't the best and it didn't hold up. So I didn't do it in this video, but after the fact, I ended up pulling it back and then replacing it on the lip and wing especially. The diffuser is better because it screws in, as you'll see here shortly, and it just kind of snaps in, so it's good to go. But I would recommend replacing those 3M pieces and making sure you clean where it attaches. I really like how everything fits into place with this diffuser. You snap the clips in, you get the 3M on the sides, and then you just screw into our mounts with the bolts that are provided. These snug up, and once that's snug up, it feels really good. You just want to make sure that 3M adheres good, and then once it's in place, we're just gonna drill some holes and put in some screws. The diffuser's on. It went great. Absolutely phenomenal install, and I'm not just saying that. A lot of times if you've ever dealt with carbon fiber stuff, you know, fitment can be a little wonky and all that kind of stuff. This went in really good. It literally snapped in, came with mounting brackets for us that we installed, and it drilled right into, and then we did self-tap a couple of screws into this just to make sure it's good. There's a couple spots on here that are meant for being drilled into. That was a little tricky, but overall not bad. And again, I love the carbon fiber with the color of this car. This diffuser looks mean. Let's get the lip on. So what I'm doing here with the painter's tape is we're just kind of mocking it up, getting it into place. So that way, once we get the painter's tape on there and it's holding in the right position and it looks good, I went underneath the car with a Sharpie and marked the holes where I want to drill in. And it looks aggressive as hell. I was telling Maya she better be careful while coming in the driveway because this made the car quite a bit lower. The front end looks way more aggressive. Super happy about that. Again, installation was super easy. 3M on each side, 3 screws, done. Let's get the wing on. I saved the best for last. If you're working on something and it's multiple stages, I always like starting with the hardest first because that's when you got the most energy. reward yourself with the easy task at the end. Pro tip. Okay, there's a lot of pollen out today, so we have wiped this off like 100 times, and as I talk, there's more pollen. This is just all 3M. Should be a super easy install. Let's see if we can do it. I was folding some of it. I think the best way to go about it is to just peel them off, honestly. Should just kind of form fit. And apply all the pressure in all the areas. There's a lot of 3M on this, so I'm not worried about it, but it's just getting that initial adhesion. Woo! The lip is on, the diffuser is on, and the wing is on, the spoiler, whatever you want to call it. All the installs went super good. So if you guys are interested in any of these, you can check the links down in the description below. They will go to ECS Tuning, where I picked all of these up. And dude, for carbon fiber, I am blown away. The fitment was spot on. Installation was ridiculously easy. This was fantastic. I actually had fun working on the car. So what do you guys think we should do next to the old Golf R? Comment down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. It means the world. I'm gonna sell the Supra and get another Golf R.